My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove malicious pop-ups related to the site strongwhitespaces.com. Strongwhitespaces.com is a malicious site that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on this allow button. When people mistakenly do that and click on allow, their browser is hijacked and infected with a lot of advertisements that would be periodically attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. To deactivate these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove these malicious sites. Finally, I recommend that you carefully research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download it, install it, and then begin researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.